So in this I've got an aux cable and iPod connector. I don't know who uses an iPod anymore, but yeah, they're going through the back here. I don't know where they're going, but to find out I need to remove the glove box. Got a screw here, if you can see that, another one here and another one here, and underneath it lets me close it. Underneath got a screw there, screw there and a screw there. These are T20. To prevent the glove box collapsing on you, remove the bottom 3 screws first, then on the inside of the glove box remove the 2 side ones, left and right, and holding on to the glove box remove the middle, and the glove box should just come away with a little bit of wiggle. Screws like this, and this is what I'm using to remove it. There you go, and that's all you need to remove the glove box on an Audi Q7